Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can design a logo on Illustrator. I will be using the grid method for this video. So I'm just going to go to View, Show Grid, and View, Snap to Grid. Create a circle. I'm just going to create a circle here. So press Shift Alt on your keyboard and create a circle. Press Ctrl C and then Shift Ctrl V to paste it in place, and again Shift Alt and create another circle. Ctrl C, Shift Ctrl V, and then again make the circle bigger. And then I'm just going to I think I'm done with that. You can just select all and group them. Control C, Shift Control V again to paste a circle. And you are going to move it to the right or like to the left. And you're going to move it like here. This is the shape you'd want for the end. Oops, this one's a little bit below the rest. Here we go. And going to, I don't know what's wrong with, okay, there. I'm just going to change the outline color so we can see it a little bit better, like so. And then I will be creating lines, so go to line segment tool, and I'm just going to create a line here. Also going to change the color of the line like so, and the stroke a little bit. Press Control, Shift Control V, and you're just going to keep on copying and pasting lines. Until you've basically covered the whole thing. Oh my, I'm so sorry. This might take a while. And you're just going to keep doing that until you've covered the whole like circle. I hope you get what I mean by that, because it's very hard to explain, and it's very hard to move these lines because they're very tiny. I'm just going to zoom in. I'm so sorry, this could take a while. Every time I try to move the line, I swear. I'm like trying my best, but like it's so like small. Just going to do another one. Hopefully this won't take as long. See, again, every single time I try to move it. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, now we have to do another line going the other way. So I'm just going to rotate the line here. Oh, I'm just going to do all of it. And then I'm just going to rotate that. So it's easier to do. Okay. Just going to add another line on the left side here. Okay. Now, once you're done with that, oh my gosh, that was difficult. Select all of this and select Shape Builder tool. Select the color like of the logo. I'm just going to choose like maybe a pink one. I don't know why all the pinks are like very not it. Like, see? Okay, anyways, then you're just going to create the shape by like joining these together. I'm just going to like create a random shape, but you can like create the shape however you want the shape to be. Like for instance like this, and I'm just going to add like another one here for instance. But this is completely up to you. Oh, didn't mean that to go on to this shape too. I'm just trying to get this to go along. Like so. Have that connected a little bit. And I'm just going to do that until I'm pleased with how the sort of logo kind of looks. Oops, missing key component there. And make sure you connect them like that. And once you're done, you can just move your you can just move the logo away from the grid that you just created. I'm just going to delete the rest like so. And I'm also going to delete the outline and also the grid. I'm just going to hide it, and here is the end result. I'm not a big fan of it that much, but I was in a hurry, so that's pretty much how I can create a logo in Illustrator by using like the sort of grid tool. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!